Here's exactly the easiest way to generate free real estate leads today. This strategy is very simple, but essentially it goes like this. We're gonna leverage social media, which you don't need a big following in, by making a discreet offer that's gonna cost you nothing to create, which is gonna allow people to respond to you that only wanna talk about real estate. Now, what's even better about this strategy is that it takes less than 10 minutes to deploy and it works within minutes. In fact, one of our agents made a very similar post to this and secured 2 clients within minutes. Now, first you're gonna go to the MLS and find a multifamily property. Now, this works just fine with single family properties as well, but it's a little bit easier if you're gonna go and find duplexes, triplexes, quadplexes, and multifamily when we're talking about bigger units. And you're gonna start digging into all of the properties as if you were about to purchase this for yourself. This is the key here. You're going to look at it as an investor would look at this as if you were the actual investor. You're going to analyze it and see, is this a property that if I had the time, the capital, the interest, and really the expertise that I would personally invest in? And you'll see exactly why in the second step. But before we get there, let's grab a picture that is eye-catching from the listing. And you'll also want to get a single property URL to this specific property. You can get it through your MLS, you can get it through your CRM, wherever it is that you create your single property websites, that's where you're going to go. And again, you're going to see exactly why. But before we get there, I want to give a quick shout out to the individual that inspired this entire video altogether. And that is my good friend, Lor Vang. So make sure you go and check out his channel. All right, so the second step is where the magic happens. This is where you actually convert people that are following you on social media into clients. Now, for the sake of this video, we're gonna go with Facebook, but understand that this works across all of your social media. You can deploy this on Instagram, you can deploy this on LinkedIn, wherever you're actually active in. And you're gonna make a post on your personal profile, not your business profile, but on your personal profile that says something like this. I think I just found a property that will make a good investment. Where are my real estate investors at? And you're gonna use that eye-catching photo to go with it. And what's gonna happen next is gonna astound you. People are gonna come out of the woodworks and start commenting on your post and hitting you up in the DMs. So for the people that are commenting on your post saying that they want information or they wanna see it or they wanna learn more about it, you're going to respond to them and acknowledge them, check your DMs. Because it's in the DMs where the heavy lifting happens. And in the DMs, what you're gonna do is you're gonna respond with something like this. Hey, thanks for commenting on my investment property post, check it out. And that's where you insert the link that you just created from your MLS. Are you already investing in real estate or are you looking to start? And just like that, in less than 10 minutes, you're gonna start conversations about real estate. You're gonna start speaking to people that you haven't spoken to since high school, since college, past coworkers. It's incredible. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and comment social down below to let me know you're here. And if you want another quick strategy just like this that's gonna help you grow your real estate business quickly, check out this video.